Here is a common scenario for agents working with clients that own a term life policy that need to make a decision about converting their policy. Let's say you have a client with $1 million term life policy, but your client doesn't need or want to maintain $1 million of death benefit and decides to convert the policy to a reduced death benefit amount of $100,000. For the policy owner, that probably means an annual premium going forward of $4,000. For the agent, that means an 80% commission for $3,200. Now, this transaction by itself sounds like a good outcome for both the policy owner and the agent. A reduced death benefit for a smaller annual premium and a reasonable commission for the agent. But was this actually the best outcome for them both? What if instead, with the same scenario, the agent and policy owner explored the secondary market value of the policy to obtain a reduced death benefit with GWG Life? If the insured is above the age of 65 with impaired health conditions, they may be eligible for the secondary market exchange of their policy instead of a partial surrender back to the carrier. In this circumstance, the insured may instead qualify for $200,000 or $300,000 of retained benefit without paying any more premiums again. But to be conservative, let's say the reduced death benefit amount is $200,000. That would be double what the carrier would provide and a much better outcome for the policy owner. And for the agent, they would receive compensation based on the conversion of the $1 million of face amount that's exchanged to GWG, earning $32,000. And on top of that, they would earn the appointed agent referral fee based on 1% of the $1 million face amount of the policy for $10,000. This would be a total compensation of $42,000 versus $3,200. If the policy were partially surrendered back to that carrier, obviously, the policy owner and agent that took advantage of the secondary market value of the policy and executed a reduced death benefit with GWG ended up with a scenario much more valuable and relieved themselves from the need of making any more premium payments. Contact us today to learn more.